You won't believe the history of the toothpick dispenser. It was created to fight sneezes. It kept toothpicks clean in restaurants where everyone touched everything. Patent offices first saw the automatic dispenser in the 1930s in the United States. At first, diners thought it was weird and even magic to see a toothpick pop out alone. Germs became a huge worry, so restaurants rushed to use dispensers for hygiene. Ever notice how you never touch the other toothpicks? Would you use one if they weren't protected?